How to add the Meta AI to WhatsApp group. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do that. First of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of WhatsApp on your device. You can simply do that by going on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you can simply search for WhatsApp. And after searching for WhatsApp, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version. If there is any update option available here, then you must update it as well. After doing that and updating your WhatsApp, you will now have to head on to your group chat. After heading on to your group chat, any of the group chat, you will see an interface like this. So after seeing an interface like this, what you need to do is, here you will find a round purple blue circle. Click on it. So this circle is something that will open a chat with Meta AI. You can also click the new chat button and select Meta AI option as well if you don't see the very blue purple circle there. So if this is the first time, Meta AI might have asked you to read and agree to the terms of service as well. Give it a quick read and tap accept if you're happy with it. Tap your question or request for Meta AI in the chat bar. Once your message is ready, tap the send icon, the arrow pointing right. The Meta AI will analyze your question and respond directly to it within the chat. So you can simply use Meta AI like this, and you can also have a conversation with Meta AI by following these steps right here. You must write @ symbol before starting the conversation, and then as you type, a list of options will appear as well. So look for Meta AI and list it from the list as well. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.